Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can easily enable artificial intelligence and visual interpretation on your ECOVACS Deebot X1 Plus. So first, open the app and click on the robot. Now here, you need to scroll down until you see Intelligence Settings. Now click them, and here you have the setting. Now if you want to enable the artificial intelligence and the visual interpretation, simply click on the switch. It will make the robot identify and avoid obstacles in your, let's say, room. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.